holiday season because we are cooking for Thanksgiving. We are listening to Christmas music. Maury's over there playing her dishes. Evie just finished having lunch.
And I finished cleaning the room.
Let's go check it out. They're washing sheets. We're cleaning every single thing. Wow! That's okay, we'll fix
The
it.
dollhouse was dirty. But I
This is
9.
Evie's and this is Taya's. Maury's. We call her Taya, but
I don't know. We call her Evie.
and what am I?
Memmy.
Memming.
Mem.
Memmy.
Maury calls her
Memmy. Mem.
Memmy. Mom.
You guys are gonna break your arms or break the bed. Alright, so we are, like I said, full-blown Christmas mode, holiday mode, getting ready for Thanksgiving. We're going to have Thanksgiving here. 2 Thanksgivings is what I'm cooking. Woo! So I have cranberry sauce that I just finished making, homemade cranberry sauce. I have my stuffing in here to take and my mashed potatoes that I just finished. So right now I'm going to be working on the spinach dip, and I have.
Oh, can I help?
Maury's gonna help me make the spinach dip.
Can you see me?
Mm-hmm. Sakara Mariah. And then we have our turkey, and I still have to make an apple pie. So the pie crust is made. I made the pie crust 2 days ago, so that's ready to go. I have my apples, and I just need to core them, cut them, peel them, and
we
make
need
the
to buy
plain
the
dip.
pumpkin pie.
Yes, I have to make the crust. I'm thinking of making a crumble for the apple pie and then a pie crust, using the other pie crust for the pumpkin pie. So we'll see if we get that done. So I've been in the kitchen for 4 hours cooking nonstop. Luckily, these kids are very good and they take care of a lot of things on their own. Evie just fed herself her lunch. Maury needs to eat. She needs to reheat her pasta and eat. So.
dip for our Thanksgiving dinner. We're gonna add a cup and a half of sour cream. So you're gonna get a spoonful of sour cream and make sure you get a big spoon and then just plop it in like that. And then you're gonna get 2 big spoonfuls of mayo. That's really small. One. And then 2. Maybe just one more. Oh. And I'm gonna do it on this side. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this packet up. It's a spinach mix packet. It's for spinach dip. And since it's kind of closed, I'm just gonna open it a little more. And then I'm gonna pour it in. And then you're gonna open this vegetable mix. And then you're gonna put it in. Then you're gonna grab your garlic and put it into the bowl. Make sure you get all of it off. Now you're gonna grab your bowl with one hand and mix your thing. Make sure you mix every single part of your spinach. It has to be creamy and it can't be dry.
Tell them what happened.
So, when we were making the spinach dip, our mom added like a really nasty and spicy one. It was this one.
You added that one.
Oh, you're right. And we thought it was gonna taste good like this one, but
The original packet.
it doesn't actually taste good. It's spicy and cheesy. I give it like a 2.
Okay.
I give it like
2 out of 5.
yes, 3 out of 5.
I think it's okay. I would give it a
10 out of 10.
no. I give it like a 4 out of 5. I mean, we can't stop eating it. And you think it's nasty, but you keep eating it. I don't think it's nasty. I think it's just different.
Yeah, but maybe Dan eating will be like, it's too spicy.
I kind of like that it's spicy,
I really love the spicy part.
but you're still eating it.
Is he here?
Okay.
He's here.
See what he says. Don't make faces. Don't tell him. No, give him this. No, give it to Dad. Right here. Right here.
Dad,
Over here, Maury.
try this.
All right. Taste Maury's new spinach dip. Tell us the truth. Is it
I
gross?
like it.
Don't tell us what you think. Tell us what you think. Do you like it? Really like it?
Is it pretty spicy?
She doesn't like it.
It's a little salty.
I guess it's
Cheesy. Salty? Okay, we can fix that.
Yeah.
Maury says she doesn't like it, but she keeps eating it.
It's the spicy part that comes in my mouth.
So I think I'm done for today. I just finished the spinach dip with Maury, so I think I'm gonna be done for today. I'm taking a little break and chilling for a minute.